near Toronto and Buffalo. Don't think we're going to get that cold tonight, but we could get that cold for your Wednesday morning. As far as the system, here it is. The forecast becoming a reality. It's making its way through the Midwest. Like we're expecting, they're starting their morning commute in Chicago and areas like Detroit with some snow showers. This system's going to get some enhancement. That's the presence of the cold air. There's going to be an area of low pressure that's going to develop along the coast. That's going to ride up the coast. And when those two systems come together, that's why we have the winter storm watches and warnings currently in effect for the Mid-Atlantic. Here's a localized look at what we're dealing with. The winter storm warnings are still posted for the majority of the Baltimore metro area, but one thing I do want to mention, if you look south, we do have a winter storm watch, and that's because Annapolis or Anne Arundel County, you're still in that area where you could dodge the bulk of this system and come out with just all rain. Yeah, you're going to be right on that line, and that's one of the reasons why you're still under the watch. You know, pun intended, they're still watching to see if the storm would be as significant for you as it will be for points north of you. So just a heads up there, we'll post updates as they become available. Let me take you through this with Futurecast, and as you can see, the first half, maybe 75% of your Monday, uneventful. It's going to be a chilly start with temps in the 20s. I'm thinking we gain about 20 degrees thanks to the ample March sunshine that we'll get. But as soon as we hit that high temp in the 40s, clouds will begin to increase, which you'll notice throughout the day. And I'm thinking as early as 9 p.m. for points south and west. You can see some snow showers, maybe even a rain-snow mix later this evening. That's going to expand with its coverage. Here's that ever so important wintry mix line where it's just going to have a mixture of snow, rain, and sleet. See how far north that comes. It's going to be in the Baltimore metro area. I'm thinking in the morning. So this looks more to me like a Tuesday morning mess rather than just an all snow event. But once again, a lot of uncertainty with the overall track of this system. So just about everything is in place.